Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You're given that the sine of theta is 4/9, theta lies in quadrant 2. You're asked to find sine of 2 theta and some other thing, cosine 2 theta and tangent 2 theta. I'll just work the first one, sine 2 theta. So I like to draw a picture. So theta lies in quadrant 2, so I draw a Cartesian coordinate system with angle, terminal sides in quadrant 2. We know the sine of theta equals 4/9. Well, by our second definition trig function, sine of theta is y over r, which is 4/9, would say y is 4 and r is 9. Y would be positive because we're in quadrant 2 and r is always positive. We use Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared is only equal r squared, and we can find the value of x. Y is 4, r is 9, and so we subtract 16. So x squared is 65, or x is going to be a plus or minus square root of 65. Since we're in quadrant 2, we want, x is going to be negative. So the cosine of theta, definitions, it's x over r, which is negative 65 over 9. So, we want to find the sine of 2 theta. Well, if you go section 3.3, that's the double angle identity for sine. That equals 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. If you look in this section. Well, we were given sine of theta is 4/9, and what we were working on over here was finding cosine of theta, which is negative square root of 65 over 9. If we multiply 2 times 4 times the negative square root of 65, that's negative 8 square root of 65. Then 9 times 9 is 81, and that's the end of the problem. Hope this helps.